My name is Ariel Miller, and I am teaching your kid chemistry this year, so welcome. I typically do this with a PowerPoint, so I thought it would be nice to do that to make it seem as normal as possible. So a little bit about me. This is my 6th year here at Justice High School teaching chemistry, and I'm actually from the area as well. I went to Lake Braddock Secondary School, which is over in Burke, and then I received my bachelor's in science and biochemistry from Virginia Tech, so go Hokies, and then received my master's in education from George Mason University. What do I love about teaching at Justice High School? It's the students, hands down. I've been here long enough now where I get to see their siblings and kind of watch these kids grow, and it's been great. I also really love how supportive the parents are here. So these are the topics that your kid's going to be doing this year. So the atom, and then safety and measurements, which is lab stuff. Then we'll do ionic and covalent bonding, move into chemical reactions and stoichiometry, acids and bases, equilibrium, and then end the year with heat and kinetics, and then gas laws. We'll do about 2 of those per quarter. It'll obviously bleed over into different quarters, but overall it's about 2 per quarter. This is what your grades look like for your kids. So 40% of their grade is going to be weighted towards tests, the other 40% from labs, and then 10 from quizzes, 10 from classwork. So you want to make sure that the classwork and the quizzes, that's really studying for the tests and paying attention in classes how they're going to get good grades in the labs. So as long as they're getting the feedback, paying attention, they're totally going to be fine when they come to the test. There is very little homework in this class. So how can students succeed? The prerequisite for this class is actually Algebra 1. So there's a lot of applied math. So students definitely want to be strong there. So if they're struggling with that, getting help from math teachers, also getting help from us to make sure they're strong there if that's where they're really struggling. Like I said, there's very little homework, so it's so important that the kids come to class. We cannot help them if they are not here. Honestly, in the past 3 to 4 years, 100% of these students who have failed, it was because they missed too much class. Because even kids who are failing halfway through the year, we were able to bring up their grades anytime they started coming to school, and we were able to work with them. It's not too late, even if it's been several months and they've not been here, but we have to have them here to get them to pass. So where can you find more information? So Schoology is the new platform we're using this year. You can get to that by going to lms.fcps.edu, and the syllabus and the notes and all the materials are found there. All right, and then how can you contact me when can your kid get help? So office hours are Wednesdays or Thursdays after school from 3 to 4:30. That's when our late bus days are. It does need to be by appointment, so I just need a heads up of hey, I'm going to be there so I can plan. I'm still trying to figure out which day is going to work better because I do it based off of when the students need me, and it's really early in the year, so I still don't know. I can leave an email at ajmiller@fcps.edu. And parents and guardians, I would really, really appreciate if you would fill out this quick survey. It's just a couple of questions, just as a check-in, so I can get to know you a little bit better. So the address, unfortunately I can't hyperlink it for you, but the address is https://tinyurl.com/ju8k77zr. So this one right here. You can also join Remind, which is an app that I use to message the kids. You can either download, so you can get the same messages too. It's reminders of, hey, a lab's coming up. Don't forget to wear closed-toed shoes. Or your test is coming up, please remember to study. So if you want to sign up, you're more than welcome. You can either download the Remind app or just do texting. So Remind's phone number is 81010, and then to sign up for specific classes, you send the message that's the class code. So if your kid's in first period chemistry, the code you're going to send, the message you're going to send is @KG99EF4. And if your kid's in 6th or 8th period chemistry, the code is @TTCHE. So this class, the 6th and 8th period classes, are taught with Mr. Dent. So he'll be on there too, and super excited to work with him again. But I think that's everything. Yes. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, either through email, questions to your kids. So yeah, any questions, just let me know. I'm really excited to work with your kid this year. Thank you so much.